III has impacted the lives of millions for more than 2 decades. Holding court with achievers and leaders from nearly every profession, Joseph has met and coached the best of the best from virtually every walk of life. People like Academy Award-winning movie stars, major sports figures, business moguls, and CEOs from some of the top companies and industries around the globe. His simple, user-friendly approach to teaching and creating human change is unique to the field of personal development and achievement, making him the most sought-after ultimate performance specialist in the industry. He's presented to over 2 million people from 40 countries. He's a best-selling author and has performed countless therapeutic interventions worldwide, helping people rid themselves of the fear and inhibitions that hinder their lives. Joseph holds a doctorate in neuropsychology and taught at the University of Southern California for several years. Why can't people get enough of Joseph McClendon III? The answer is simple. He's got the strategy, the delivery, and the methods that consistently move people to their highest potential. And most of all, he gets results.